And let's try run it again to see if we can log onto Windows from Kali. So let's just trying again. While that is running, I need to know what my username is on my Windows. So I'm opening a different terminal here. I'm just going to put who am I? So it tells me this is my user's name, client2/amaze. So this is my user's name. So it's trying to log on. And even if it does fail, it also will be recorded on the logs. So we'll be able to track it from the logs, from the Windows logs. So I'm going to be logging into my Windows through the Linux. So the user ID is client02 amaze. Amaze. So we need to confirm that very well. Yes, client02 amaze. Then I'm going to put in the IP address of my Windows. Remember, we are on the Kali Linux. My window IP address is 192.168.1.10. As you can see, if you look at if you analyze the entry, the commands, you see that this is the command we're supposed to use rather than using S free arrow DP. So we'll add 3 to it. So it's version 3. Right. Say subject, client, user, valid, and all of those information, the above certificates cannot be verified, possibly because you do not have a CA certificate in your certificate store or the certificate has expired. Please look at Oppo SSA all of that. Do you trust the certificate? I'm going to say yes. Do you trust the certificate? User ID, that's the user ID, yes. Then it's asking me for the domain. So we're going to put in the domain. Okay, so I already press yes and you just entered.